Welcome back with a new video. In this video I will tell you how to make your own emoji on Android. So first of all, go to your web browser. I am opening Chrome. Search for Emoji Kitchen and tap on Get Cooking. Here you can mix up two emojis to make your desired emoji. So from here you can mix anyone, and also from here you can change an emoji. So when you will final with your emoji design, tap on copy and then go back to WhatsApp and click on it, send the emoji. If you click on here emoji icon, you can find your own emojis here. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.